and welcome to the big bungalow renovation. We are now in week 22. Okay, so not a lot has happened this week, guys, not a lot of building work, but we did have underfloor heating laid, so I will show you that in this episode. And we also have started painting the front room and the hallway. We got the paint sprayer back up and running, so yeah, that's what we've been up to. And I'm painting some internal doors. We've given notice to our storage unit. And we've got to move back in. We've got to move our stuff back in. I think we did like 9 trips in our Volkswagen Polo. So guess what? We got to do another 9 trips back. So yeah, wish us luck. This is how clear the floor looks. So we're now in week 22. And tomorrow we are having underfloor heating installed. I hope anyway. So this is probably the clearest I've seen this room for a while. But one exciting thing, well, it's really not that exciting, but for someone who hasn't had a proper sink, I have just done my dishes. So this has been plumbed in now, and the washing machine has been plumbed in. So thanks to local boy for doing that for us. And yeah, I'm officially an owner of a Belfast sink. So I'm very excited about that. And obviously now it's like looking a bit scruff. So what do? I hide it all. Ugh, bliss. Okay, so it's a bit premature, but we brought the coffee machine over because we couldn't wait any longer. So let me just go get that barking dog who makes an appearance in every single video. Come here. You go, come on. Okay, so it's quite late on a Thursday night, but I just want to get some stuff wrapped up. So I think if I paint, so I think you saw in one of my other episodes I miscoated these reveals, and I think now it's time for me to paint them, and then I can take this off, and then it might actually start to feel like a room in here, because I think, yeah, once all that tapers off, it's just gonna look so much nicer, isn't it? So yeah, let's do that. Take off around the actual reveal, but we can take these bits off, I think, can't we? So I'll just take these off now. We're gonna have to clean these windows so much. They're full of like plaster, paint, dust, so you just need to give every single one loads of TLC. Ooh, this is a nice one. Hello. Oh, satisfying. Okay, so the same again. I'm not going to take the surround off until it's dry, but I will take off this middle section, because why? I know I just said this, but these windows, they're so dirty. There's something so new. Okay, so we have had the underfloor heating installed now. So look inside this cupboard. This is where it all goes. So I'm hoping that this can all get moved to there, so that we can have something normalish on this side. like built-in shelving or something. So yeah, but that's how it's all looking. Looks a bit mad, doesn't it? That's how it's all looking. I'm gonna try it out in a minute. Okay, it's Saturday, that means one thing in this renovation: painting time. So we've bought what we think was wrong with the paint sprayer last week. So we've bought these new tips and we're just going to try and give that a go and spray paint the living room, which will now be the second bedroom, third bedroom. So yeah, we're going to go and try and fix the paint sprayer so that we can do the front room. If not, we're taking it back to Screwfix and seeing if we can get a replacement. I know they don't stock them though, so we wouldn't get a replacement today, which would be a bummer, but let's go. Okay, so we've tightened this one here, this one here. We've also bought new ones of these and tightened this. So we're just gonna try and run it now and see what happens. This could be carnage. Do now is I'm going to go into the fourth bedroom and give it a good old tidy so that we can start bringing some stuff in. So went to the storage unit and grabbed some more stuff. So yeah, we're just trying to fill up this room with stuff now so that we can move out the storage unit. Okay, so we've done 2 trips to the storage unit now, and I think that's good going. We did 1 yesterday, so that's 3 in total. So I'm just going to start bringing some stuff in. Okay, so one of my tasks to do today, I've got the original doors of the house here, and the aesthetic that I'm going for in the new house, even though I've got black windows everywhere, it's going to be like predominantly white, wood and gold. So I've got like the brass handles, and this navy black kind of colour doesn't go anymore. Plus, it got filthy in the build. So my task today is to prime it again, and I'm going to give it a light sand, prime it with Zinsabin because I've got loads of that left, fill in any doggy nail marks because there's plenty of them. Actually, would I bother with that? I'll just try and sand them out, and then I'm going to paint them in an eggshell colour, and then hopefully they can be hung this week or next week. And yeah, that's my task for today. And I need to do the one downstairs as well, but Alex is spray painting down there, so I'll do that after. I feel like these might not come out. I know this is not the right thing to do, but Okay, so because I filled the other side in, I've decided to do this side, but oh my god, there's so much dirt. I'm going to try and blow it off with my eyes closed now. Oh, barely worked. I think I'm going to have to clean these with some water. Just can't get the dust off, so I'm going to try and give it a wet wipe. Bin primer is it's like a little goes a long way, so I didn't want to get a tray because I just thought I'll pour it on and it'll be on in 2 seconds. So while my roller, oh, it's a really Welshy then, roller, while I've got my Zinser bin on my roller, I'm going to go downstairs, I am, and I'm going to roller the, sorry, I don't even know what I'm talking about anymore. I'm going to prime the downstairs bathroom door in Zinser bin. I'm just going to do one side, similar to this, one side, because I need to sand the other side. Or I could sand it now actually. Yeah, but I'm going to take my Zinser bin downstairs anyway, so let's go. Okay, so both doors are primed now. I do have a third door, but where I want it to go, it has to be a fire door. So do I keep the door or do I not keep the door? But yeah, so the doors are primed, this one and the bathroom one, because this one's going opposite in the cupboard, and then we've got another fire door then to go on the bedroom door. So yeah, tomorrow I will paint this in eggshell. Oh, it's dry already. Okay, so it is the next day. The Zinser bin is doing a really good job. You can see, you know, it's really tough. Give it a little scrape, nothing comes off. So now I'm gonna just paint it in the eggshell. And yeah, I love eggshell finish, it's so nice. So I'm gonna do the whole house in eggshell. But yeah, let's get these doors done. But yeah, anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this week. I know it's a little bit, it's been a little bit slow this week. But yeah, next week we've got quite a few different things happening, and I think, yeah, next week's episode will be a little bit more action and lively, and we'll have the worktops. So excited. Too excited for that. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week.